What if I told you 2025 is the most important year for science in a century, and it's not because of AI, Mars, or some new gadget. It's because the United Nations declared 2025 the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. And no, quantum isn't just something scientists talk about in a lab. It's going to shape AI, medicine, climate change solutions, and even your daily life. Today, we're diving deep into why this year matters, and why your future will never be the same. Why the UN made this declaration. 2025 marks 100 years since quantum mechanics reshaped our understanding of reality. From the weirdness of particles being in two places at once, to quantum tunneling making stars shine, quantum theory has become the invisible engine behind modern technology. But this year isn't just a celebration of the past, it's a call to action for the future. The UN wants the world to invest, innovate, and educate in quantum, because the next industrial revolution might just be quantum-powered. A quick quantum crash course. Before we jump into 2025's breakthroughs, let's decode the basics. Quantum science studies the tiniest building blocks of reality, particles smaller than atoms, and the strange rules they follow. Imagine coins that can land heads, tails, or both at the same time. Or doors that particles can magically pass through without opening them. These strange effects aren't just theoretical, they power lasers, semiconductors, GPS, and MRI machines. Now, scientists are taking these rules and turning them into the next big leap in technology. So, what's happening in 2025 that's so special? Let's look at some quantum headlines already making history this year. In China, engineers created an optical computing chip that uses light instead of electricity, processing 100 wavelengths at once. Think of it as having 100 superhighways of information, all running in parallel, faster than anything we've ever built. In space, the European Space Agency's solar orbiter is capturing the first ever images of the Sun's south pole, made possible by quantum-enhanced imaging systems. And in biology, scientists just discovered an entirely new organelle inside our cells, the hemifusum, detected using quantum microscopy. Asterisk. Why it matters to you. Asterisk, quantum breakthroughs aren't just for scientists. They're going to transform your world. Medicine, quantum simulations will design drugs in weeks instead of years. Quantum processors could train AI models in hours, making them smarter, faster, and possibly, more unpredictable. Climate change, quantum algorithms will predict weather patterns decades in advance, helping humanity prepare for extreme events. Security, quantum encryption will make hacking nearly impossible, but also render today's passwords useless. In short, quantum will rewrite the rules of business, healthcare, and everyday life. Asterisk. The race for quantum power. Governments and tech giants are racing to dominate quantum technology. The US, China, and Europe are pouring billions into quantum research. Why? Because whoever leads in quantum could have an advantage in everything, from economic power to military strategy. Just like the space race in the 1960s, the quantum race could define the next 50 years. And the big question is, will quantum be used for global progress, or global control? How you can ride the quantum wave. Asterisk, you don't have to be a physicist to be part of this revolution. Universities and online platforms are launching beginner-friendly quantum courses. Industries from finance to video games are already experimenting with quantum-powered tools. If you learn now, even the basics, you could be ahead of the curve in the next decade. Asterisk. The quantum future. Quantum isn't just about faster computers. It's about unlocking entirely new possibilities, solving problems that classical science couldn't touch. The fact that 2025 has been dedicated to this field is a signal. The future isn't just coming, it's arriving in qubits. The only question is, will you be ready?